Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Anne and today I'm going to show you a style on your own hair. Now this is a style that I did on my little girl a couple of years ago and it has been my most watched video. It's had over 1 million views on YouTube. It's really super popular. I'm going to show you how to do it on yourself. So this is what we're going to do. Let's get started. First thing I did was a side parting, and then I'm taking a diagonal slice of hair and splitting it into 3 pieces. I'm then going to take the outside strand over the centre strand and then the other outside strand over the centre strand. Then I'm going to combine some more hair with that outside strand, take it over that centre strand. I'm going to go back to that parting line, combine some more hair with the outside strand, take it over the centre strand. Move to the next outside strand, add some hair, combine it together, take them over that centre strand, and then go back to that parting, add some more hair to that section and take it over that centre strand. Now this is a French braid. If you're not sure how to do a French braid, I've got a tutorial for this. I'll put a link in the description box below because you need to master the French braid first before you move on to this. But basically it's a French braid and you're just working around the head. So you need to just keep combining new pieces of hair with each strand before you cross it over that centre section. So I'm just feeling with my hands where the parting line is. And then I'm combining that hair with that side strand, taking it over the centre strand, coming over to my ear, taking some more hair, adding it to that strand of hair, taking over the centre strand. Each time I take a new piece of hair, I kind of give it a little bit of a tug. I'm going super speedy around my head now. I'm going to go as far as I can with my arms in this direction. But then I get to the point where I can't keep braiding in this direction anymore. So I need to let go of my hair, move my hands around to the front, take hold of the hair, but now I'm holding it in a slightly different way. So now what I do is I take the section across the centre strand and then I add another piece of hair. So I take the strand of hair across the centre section and then I add some more hair to it. So I'm just braiding now slightly differently because obviously you can't get your arms to keep going all the way around your head. So you need to sort of change the position that your arms are in. So now I'm doing it this way. I'm sort of crossing the hair over that centre section. Then I'm adding new hair to cross over that centre section. And then I take that strand over and then I add some more hair, take that over. So you just need to kind of figure out what your hands are holding and then just swap your hands over. So it's not as tricky as it sounds. A little bit of practice and you'll get that easy peasy, I promise. Because when you're holding the hair, you've got it in between your fingers. So then I'm braiding to the ends. Now I'm going to work out whereabouts the braid finishes before I want to start weaving it into my hair, and that's where I put the elastic. So I don't need to put the elastic right at the end. I'm just putting the elastic to where the braid is going to stop, because then all those tails are now just going to weave in and out of this braid that I've already done on the crown with a topsy tail. I find it's easier to pull the hair through when it's loose than it is to pull through braided hair. So if I just pull these tails through, I'm just going to continue the stitch pattern that's already there. And also because it's just loose hair and not a braid, it blends into the braid that you've already done and it looks seamless. So I'm just going to go through all the way around, adding all those hair strands. And that's the finished look. Really cute. I've also got a tutorial for this for your daughter. I'll put a link in the description. I hope you really enjoyed that tutorial, guys. Until next time, take great care. I'll see you soon. Bye.